Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to limit passwords on Facebook. If you are using Facebook and you want to limit your passwords, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just open Facebook here. Now once you are in Facebook, click on this profile icon over here. Then you click on settings and privacy and click on privacy checkup. So in this session, you can get an overview of your complete profile. You can also go to your profile icon over here again, click on settings and privacy, and then click on settings. And in this section, you just have to click on the search option here and just search for past posts. Just search for it. Here's the past post. And you might get the option of limit who can see passwords. So click on limit passwords, click on past limit password, and click on again. Now audience is completely changed for your password. So in this way, you can easily change the audience for your password. You can easily change the limit, or you can easily limit your passwords. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.